Namaste and good morning to all dear students. It's me, Priya Kaur, English teacher of Asian Academy. Hope you all are fine and safe in this difficult time that we are facing due to COVID-19. Today, as we are going for the first episode of grade 2 and 3 related to English grammar, and the topic of the day is letters, vowels, consonants, word and sentence. Students, before starting unit 1 and 2, please be ready with book, exercise book, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Hope you all are ready. So let's begin our class. So our first topics are letters, vowels and consonants. Students, we already have learned about letters in our lower classes. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Letters are A, B, C, D to Z. In these letters, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. And 5 vowels are A, E, I, O and U. 5 vowels are A, E, I, O and U. You all can see in my chart here vowels are denoted by red color A, E, I, O and U, and remaining 21 consonants which are denoted by black color are consonants. Here A is a vowel, B, C, D are consonants. Again E is a vowel, F, G, H, I. Is I consonant? No, it is not a consonant, it is a vowel. So F, G, H are consonant, I is a vowel, J, K, L, M, N are consonants. Here is a big smiley, O. Yes, it is O. O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T are consonants, and U with red color is vowel, and V, W, X, Y and Z are consonants. Dear students, we have learned about letters, vowels and consonants. If you have problem regarding letters, vowels and consonants, please take help from your parents, brothers, sisters or your subject teacher. Now our next topic is word. Dear children, do you know what is a word? if you don't know, I will explain you in this episode how words are made. Words are made using 26 letters. Here is definition of word. A group of letters which gives complete meaning is called a word. Again, I repeat, a group of letters which gives complete meaning is called a word. Now, when these letters arranged in a proper order gives or form meaningful word. So let's make some words using these 26 letters, using any of these 26 letters. Now, A, N, T, ant. This group of letters gives sense or meaning, so it is a word. Let's make two more examples. D, A, N, C, E, dance. These group of letters form a meaningful word, dance. It gives information, so it is a complete word. Next, G, I, R, L, girl. This group of letters also gives meaning or sense, so it is also a complete word. Now you can look into the chart. Here I have made many words. So let's start with first word. Our first word is S, L, A, C, S, slash. A group of letters, but it does not give any meaning. It does not give any sense, so it is not a word. Let's rearrange these jumbled letters. So what it will form? C, L, A, S, S, class. It gives meaning, it gives some information, class. So it is a word. Now let's go to the second word. T, E, A, R, E, S, W. This group of letters does not give any meaning. Even we don't know how to pronounce these letters. So it is not a word. So let's recorrect it. S, W, E, A, T, E, R. Sweater. It gives complete meaning, so it is a word. So let's go to third one. K, O, B, O. Kobo. Does it has any sense? Does it give any meaning? No, it does not give any meaning. Kobo. So let's recorrect it. B, O, O, K. Book. Yes. This group of letters gives meaning and information. So it is a complete word. Now next, M-A-G-E. Does it have any sense? No, it does not have any sense. So let's make word using these letters. G-A-M-E. Game. It gives meaning, so it is a word. Next word. H-I-L-T-Z. Can you pronounce it? No, I can't. So it is not a word. Let's recorrect or rearrange these jumble words. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Yes, we can easily pronounce it, and this group of letters also give meaning. So it is a word. Let's go to next word. P-A-P-E-L. People. Have you ever heard this word? No, we haven't heard this people. So let's rearrange it. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Yes, apple gives complete meaning, so it is a word. Now let's go to second last word. Gap. G-A-B. Gap. Does it have any sense? No, it does not have any sense. But B-A-G, bag, gives meaning, so it is a word. Now we have last word. C-O-U-R-L-O. This group of letters does not give any meaning, so it is not a word. Let's recorrect these jumble letters. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Yes, it gives complete meaning and it gives information. Color, so it is a complete word. Dear children, hope I have made clear about word. But if you have any difficulties or questions, you may consult your parents, brothers, sisters, or your subject teacher. My dear children, as we have completed about letters, vowels, consonants, and word, now it's time for sentence. Children, do you know what is a sentence? We used to speak in a complete sentence in our day-to-day lives. So here we have definition of sentence. Please look into the board. Here is the definition of sentence. What is a sentence? So, a group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Again, a group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. This definition, there are two important things. The first one is group of words and the second one is complete sense. Now let's make one example. Dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing is a group of words. Sita, Sita. Sita is a group of words and is also a group of words. Now let's combine this sentence. Sita is dancing. Sita is dancing. This is a complete and meaningful sentence. One important thing we have to know is, while writing a sentence, it begins or starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Dear students, look into the board. Here are some examples of sentences using different group of words. And the first one is go is a group of words. School is a group of words. To is a group of words. Now let's combine these words. What it forms? I go to school. It forms complete and meaningful sentence. And here sentence starts with capital letter I and ends with full stop. So it is a complete and sensible sentence. Next example is playing cricket are they. This group of sentence does not give meaning or sense. So let's form a meaningful and sensible sentence. They are playing cricket. Yes, it forms meaningful and sensible sentence. So it is a complete sentence. Third one, cuts here the our barber. So let's form a complete sentence. The barber cuts our hair. Yes, it forms complete sentence. So it is a complete and meaningful sentence. And here sentence starts with capital letter T and ends with full stop. Next, sister have I a. Let's form a sentence, meaningful sentence. I have a sister. Hope you understand. And the last example is a bird, a parrot is. Let's form a meaningful sentence. A parrot is a bird. It forms complete and sensible sentence. So it is a complete sentence. As we have completed above sentence, now let's learn more about sentence. There are two parts of sentence. They are subject and predicate. If we are telling about something or someone is subject, and what is said about someone or something is predicate. Here I have written two examples. Let's look into the board. The first example is John is playing on the road. It is a complete sentence, and in this sentence there are two parts, subject and predicate. In this sentence, subject is John and predicate is playing on the road. John is subject here and is playing on the road is predicate, because in this sentence we are talking about John. So it is subject and what John is doing. John is playing on the road, so it is a predicate. Now next example. Water in a lake is very cold. In this sentence, what is subject here? Water is subject here? No. Only water is not subject here. Water in a lake is subject. Subject and is very cold is predicate. Predicate. Because water in a lake is a subject, we are talking about water in a lake and is very cold. Is very cold is a predicate because water in the lake is very cold. So hope you understand these two examples. Here in the chart I have written many examples. So let's start. The first one is Prakash has bought a pen. Prakash is a subject and has bought a pen is predicate, because in this sentence we are talking about Prakash. Prakash is subject and what Prakash has bought. Prakash has bought a pen, so it is a predicate. The next example, let's go to the second one. The children like playing. The children is subject here and like playing is predicate, because in this sentence we are talking about children and what they are doing. They are playing. So like playing is predicate. Now let's go to the third one. Baburam is a handsome boy. Baburam is a handsome boy. It is a complete sentence and Baburam is subject here. Again I am repeating, Baburam is subject here because we are talking about Baburam. And how is Baburam? Baburam is handsome boy, so it is a predicate. Next, Barsa is flying a kite. Here Barsa is subject. Again I repeat, Barsa is subject and is flying a kite. Barsa, what Barsa is doing? Barsa is flying a kite. So is flying a kite is predicate. Next, the deer are grazing. In this sentence we are talking about deer and what deer are doing. Deer are grazing in the field or wherever. Yes. Second last, the dog barks. Yes, the dog barks. The dog is a subject here. We are talking about dog. In this sentence we are talking about dog and what dog is doing? He is barking. Yes, dog is barking, so barks is a predicate. And the last sentence is I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. Here I is a subject. I is a subject because in this sentence we are talking about I. Yes. So what I am doing? I am drinking a glass of water. So I is a subject and drink a glass of water is predicate. I have tried my best to complete unit 1 and 2 for grade 2 and 3. Again I repeat, if you don't understood or if you have any problem, please consult to your parents or to me. Now it's time for homework, and homework for grade 2 is go to page number 6, exercise A and B, and it's for grade 2 only of your grammar book. 2. Go to page number 7, exercise C and D. It's for only grade 2. And 3. Go to page number 12, exercise A. Yes, it's for grade 2 only. Now, homework for grade 3. First is write 20 meaningful sentences and underline subjects and predicates. 2. Write 20 words that begins with vowels, that is N. Dear children, hope I have cleared about all these topics: letters, vowels, consonants, word and sentence. So, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.